My name is Maylin Maharas from Philippines. I am 38 years old. I have four lovingly childrens, and I'm undergraduate of College of Computer Secretarial in Matis School of Arts and Trades. And my working experience last 2020 to 2024. Uh, I have three kids, two twins girl and one boy, 2 years old. And I do my responsibility first for the safety of the kids, and then preparing for the nutritious food snacks every day. And I can also join for the playing outdoor or indoor activities also. And I also reading the books for them and coloring, like something like that. And then also I preparing like morning and evening, preparing the bath, taking the bath every morning and night. And also every time I play with the kids from outside, my main responsibility is for their safety, eyes on them, and in wherever is them, and I go with them also. And then that's all.
All right.
And have a God
Mhm.
bless.